So here, this is my Raspberry Pi board, and this is my breadboard with the components. Jumper wires are there, push button is there, LED and one resistor. And I have connected all this USB, and based on this, according to by pushing the button constantly, it will load. So I will show you the program. Okay, so my program for this particular statement is so from beginning I will show you for our site of here. I'm using only as ID. Libraries have included there, but that is all are there. Here I am using so I will directly for one directly to this program so after hitting enter, see what's going on. Now you can see it's blinking. Okay, it's blinking. Now by pushing so this is what the programming is taking about for this time. Thank you so much.